Why do 80% of DIYers love making their own soap? Because it's fun, easy, and oh so rewarding. First, you'll need a melt and pour soap base. You can find this at any craft store or online. Next, chop the soap base into small cubes for easy melting. Pop those cubes into a microwave-safe bowl and heat in 30-second intervals until fully melted. Now comes the fun part. Add your favorite essential oils for a delightful scent. You can also mix in some colorants to give your soap a vibrant look. Stir everything together until well combined. Pour the mixture into silicone molds. Let them sit for a few hours until completely cool and solid. Once they're ready, pop them out of the molds and voila! You've got your very own homemade soap. Super easy, right? Now go impress your friends and family with your soap making skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY fun. And for a convenient way to get your melt and pour soap base, check out the link in the description.